Philip Owen, my father. We don't get along.
Such a vision will definitely require some innovation.
He seems to think that I blame him for Mom. I do.
The use of
Mom was unhappy. Her life hadn't panned out the way she wanted after she had me. So she left.
improvement of sustainable agriculture.
It's his fault that she left. He didn't do anything to help her. Anyone would leave. I'm not like everybody else. I'm genuinely afraid of losing people I love.
In 20 minutes. Their aim to show that planting seeds by drone technology is a much more efficient method.
Our main motive is to make life better for our customers and the residents here in the UAE by using innovation.
Love. I wouldn't say that I have it in me to love. But with Liz, it is very close to that. She's the only friend that I have. She makes my life feel a little like everyone else, some kind of normalcy. Liz and I met only 3 years ago at the grill. She just moved to the city and I needed a reason to get out of the smoothering house, so I was doing my homework there. We've been friends ever since. Liz thinks I'm odd. I mean, that is fair. But all she does is embarrass me. Like when she pretended to have found air in her food, so she doesn't have to pay. They had cameras everywhere, so of course we got caught. Or when she slid a love note to the waiter. That turned out fine. They're a couple now. It's fair to call me odd. I'm a loner. I avoid any form of human interactions, except for Liz. She's not obnoxious like most people.